Hey everybody, Ryan Ritchie here, Vice President of Business Development at HealthWay Family of Brands. Today I want to showcase the HealthWay Deluxe Air Purifier, talk about a few of its features and benefits, and show you the efficiency using our Class 1 laser particle meter. Now when you look at indoor air quality, there's three main pollution categories. There's VOCs, also known as gases, chemicals, and odors. There's particulates that can be anything from dust mite feces to viruses to bacteria to common dust particles. And then there's microorganisms, things like viruses, bacteria, the common cold, the common flu, etc. Now this machine is designed to remove all three of those pollution categories. The first step is a VOC pre-filter that uses carbon and zeolite to absorb those gases, chemicals, and odors, cooking odors, pet odors, dirty husband odors, etc. The second stage is our main media filter that our patented technology comes in. This is where we remove up to 99.99% of all airborne particulates and then destroy viruses and bacteria that are captured in the filter. To prove to you the efficiency of this system, I'm going to use a Class 1 laser particle meter. These are typically used for clean room environments to make sure the air is particle free. In the air here, we're measuring about 43,000 particles per cubic foot of air. On this machine, all the dirty air comes around the bottom, 360 degrees, and the clean air comes out the top. So measuring the efficiency, we're going to go down to already 9,800, down to 0. That was pretty quick. So what we're showing here is that on coarse, fine, and ultrafine particles, this machine is 100% efficient by using these Class 1 laser particle meters. That's confidence that this is going to provide clean air throughout your entire home and protect you and your family from those ultrafine particles, the most dangerous and most prevalent particles that we find in our space. Now to show you a little bit more, the machine has 4-speed functions for your desired need. It also has filter indicator lights to let you know when you need to change those filters. The back filter, the VOC filter we mentioned earlier, again is a mixture of carbon and zeolite. These minerals are designed to absorb those chemicals, gases, and odors. This also acts as a pre-filter. So this will capture, much like a lint trap on a dryer, dust bunnies, dog hair, pet hair, etc. that should be vacuum cleaned once a month. Otherwise, this filter would be changed on an annual basis and very easy to slide back in and replace. The main filter is on the top. You simply lift the lid off, and there are 2 locking handles here that lock the filter into place, and it's then lifted off. This is really where our patented technology comes into play. As you can see here, the metal grid on the top of the filter and the middle grid on the inside of the unit is going to produce an energy field. That energy field is going through the entire surface of the synthetic media that coagulates particulates and makes them easier to capture. That's how we can have such a high efficiency and capture rate than other solutions like HEPA filters, etc. So I'm going to put this filter back on. These simply just line up, locks back into place. The lid goes on one way in the front where it hits that interlocking switch, and then we'll turn the machine back on. Let's give one more particle count test just to verify. We're at 41,000 particles per cubic foot of air. Measuring the air outtake, we're down to 20,000 to 0, making this one of the most efficient air purifiers on the market today.